Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are good. So today we are going to discuss dark reaction. Alright. Last time we studied about light reaction, okay, and this time we are going to study dark reaction. But before moving on to the dark reaction, let us just revise the things which we discussed last time. So we studied about the light reaction, okay, last time, which occurs usually where? Inside the chloroplast, okay. So what happens during that light reaction? You know, two main products are being formed here. What are those two products? ATP and NADPH. The next topic which we will study today, that is dark reaction. Now see friends, what happens actually? We studied that light reaction, what are the products? जो लाइट रिएक्शन आपको होता है, लाइट रिएक्शन का मतलब क्या है? सी फोटोसिंथेसिस, व्हाट? Photosynthesis simply formation of food or sugar, right? But that sugar formation is not occurring only in this phase, light reaction, okay? So that means this is just the halfway we are going. अभी photosynthesis का final product नहीं बना है, all right? So, but the products which usually formed in light reaction are ATP, NADPH and oxygen also, okay? आपने जो भी cycles पढ़ी है उसमें ये सब चीज़ें बनी है, all right? But what happens to oxygen which is produced in a light reaction? That oxygen simply diffuses out from the chloroplast. वो chloroplast से बाहर आ जाती है, alright? But what about this ATP and NADPH? These two are the important products formed in the light reaction which are used for the dark reaction. Yes, that is important, alright? ATP and NADPH, these two energy boosters are used in the formation of further food. अभी तक क्या बना है? Light reaction makes only these three things. Food has not been prepared yet, okay? So to make food, these two things will be used, and that process or that phase where food formation occurs during the dark reaction, okay? Why we call it dark reaction? Because light is not used up here, okay? This reaction is taking place in the absence of light, right? So that's why we call it dark reaction. So when these two products are used, that phase is called as biosynthetic phase, okay? So biosynthetic phase is the phase where food formation occurs, and this food formation actually occurs where? In stroma, alright? You know, if we talk about the section of a chloroplast, okay, inside it we have thylakoids. So usually thylakoid membrane is responsible for the light reaction, right? But outside the thylakoid membrane we have stroma, okay? So this dark reaction usually takes place where? It occurs inside the stroma, not inside the thylakoid. So this is biosynthetic phase, or you can also say dark reaction. That means formation of food or sugar, alright? Now see friends, this is really very important thing to be noted here. What is that? This process actually, it depends not directly on sunlight. I told you that's why it is dark reaction, but products of light reaction, okay? But what this process is using? This product is using these two products which are formed during the light reaction, okay? But there is one more thing here. What is that? If no light is there, okay, biosynthetic phase will start, but it will stop after some time. That means it will not be finished. इसका पूरा end नहीं होगा, food preparation नहीं बनेगा, food will not be prepared, okay, complete if there is no light. अब हम एक तरफ बोल रहे हैं that light is not directly used, and दूसरी तरफ हम बोल रहे हैं without light this process will stop. So कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा सा confusion रहता है, इसीलिए what is there? It is not directly dependent on sunlight, but it is dependent on the products of the sunlight or the light reaction, okay? So I hope it is clear. Now see friends, as we are talking about dark reaction, so dark reaction is mainly based on carbon dioxide fixation, okay? You know that photosynthesis process is what? From the atmosphere, what happens? Carbon dioxide and water molecules enters the leaf through stomata. Stomata pores are there, okay, if you remember. So this carbon dioxide is actually fixation occurs. ये जो carbon dioxide enter करता है, it finally changes so many intermediates, and finally it forms what? Food. You know that carbon dioxide and water when combines they form sugar, okay? that means it is reduction process. I told you oxidation and reduction. Oxidation means when oxygen is added, reduction means when hydrogen is added. Okay, so when carbon dioxide and water combine, so with the involvement of hydrogen here, C6H12O6, that is sugar, is produced. So that is the reaction. But now how this process happens, how the carbon dioxide is fixed in the plant for the process of photosynthesis. देखिए, कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फिक्सेशन का सिंपल मतलब है फॉर्मेशन ऑफ फूड. ओके, जो किसकी फॉर्म में बनता है? ग्लूकोज, शुगर. ओके, शुगर लिख दो, ग्लूकोज लिख दो, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज. ग्लूकोज बनाना है हमको, ऑलराइट. और वो कैसे बनेगा? जब कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ऐड होगा. ओके, नाउ actually there is a scientist, a renowned scientist, the name is Melvin Calvin. Okay, he studied the photosynthesis in algae. Okay, उसने स्टार्टिंग इस फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस उसी की देन है. उसी ने ही बताया हमें कि किस तरह से ग्लूकोज बनता है, होल प्रोसेस. ओके, बिहाइंड दिस. सो ही यूज्ड कार्बन 14 आइसोटोप रेडियोएक्टिव. ओके, what he observed that during this process when carbon dioxide is added for the formation of food, first product formed is 3 carbon organic acid. अब सिंपल समझ लो, the acid which is produced organic है वो. ओके, उसमें हाइड्रोजन और कार्बन प्रेजेंट होते हैं, that's why that is organic. But it contains how much number of carbon? 3 carbon. Okay, so the first product which was produced during carbon dioxide fixation was 3 carbon organic acid. Okay, so he you can say that because of the Kelvin, we are able to study now the process of photosynthesis, and he actually described this process in a cycle form. किस तरह से क्या बनता है, आगे फर्दर क्या बनता है, फाइनली शुगर ही यूज़ करते हैं हम और शुगर पे ये साइकिल एंड होती है. ओके, व्हाटएवर. सो कैल्विन साइकिल, दैट्स वाई हमने उसको क्या ना, उसने उस बिकॉज ऑफ हिज नेम अब हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं? कैल्विन साइकिल बोलते हैं. ओके, सो दिस साइकिल वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी टुडे. दिस इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट, सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड इट वेरी वेल. Kelvin cycles first product which is formed, I told you 3 carbon, which is 3 PGA. PGA full form means 3 phosphoglyceric acid. This 3, it doesn't mean that we have phospho 3 something like that. 3 means अगर आप केमिस्ट्री पढ़ते हो आपको पता है nomenclature में क्या होता है. Okay, when we assign particular name to the particular compound hydrocarbons, 3 means third position of carbon is occupied by the phospho. Phospho means phosphate. Okay, this is it, means like that. So it contains how many carbons? 3 carbon. Okay, but see, there are different plants having different processes. See, most of the plants, okay, uses this Kelvin cycle where first product formed is always 3 PGA. Okay, means 3 carbon compound. But there are some other plants whose first product is not 3 carbon compound, but whose first product is 4 carbon compound. All right, and that carbon compound is called as oxaloacetic acid, having 4 carbons in it. Okay, so those plants whose first product formed during the process of photosynthesis is 3 carbon compound, which is 3 phosphoglyceric acid, that cycle which they are following is called as C3 cycle or C3 pathway. Okay, but where 4 carbon atoms are involved in those plants, the cycle is named as C4 cycle or C4 pathway. We will discuss this cycle later. We are focusing today only on C3 pathway or C3 cycle, which is also called as Kelvin cycle. All right, so यही वो चीज़ है जो आपको समझनी है. Now here we go. This is actually the Kelvin cycle. You have to draw exactly like this. Okay, now Kelvin cycle, if we study, it is a cycle, okay, which starts from the sugar. This is actually the substrate, okay, and it ends again into the sugar. We again regenerate this sugar. We will discuss it one by one, but first of all you should know that this Kelvin cycle is further having 3 main phases. Very important, everything is given in your book. Okay, you just understand here. What are those 3 phases used in Kelvin cycle? The first is carboxylation, all right, the second is reduction, and third is regeneration. Okay, now what is carboxylation? जो भी ये processes हैं कि क्या चीज़ें हैं वो हम जैसे जैसे cycle आगे पढ़ेंगे आपको क्लियर होती जाएंगी. So I think we should now start the cycle. Now see friends, I told you that this is actually which process? Carbon dioxide fixation, where carbon dioxide from the atmosphere enters through where? Enters through stomatal pores, okay? And not only carbon dioxide but again water is also entering through stomata, and now the cycle begins. But you know that in a particular reaction we have to use substrate, okay, substrate or reactant. So it combines with that substrate to form the product, okay. आपको पता है केमिस्ट्री में हम जनरली रिएक्शंस ऐसे ही लिखते हैं, substrates or reactants, they forms products, okay. So what is the substrate here? What substrate is used here? The substrate is a sugar which is 5-carbon sugar, okay. You have to learn the names. And that sugar is called as ribulose. आपको पता है ribose एक sugar होती है, pentose होती है, okay, 5-carbon atom. So ribose का ही एक isomer है, so don't get confused here. It's ribulose 1,5 biphosphate, okay, जिसको हम short में बोलते हैं RUBP. This P is capital, okay. It's like this, RUBP, okay. So this is 5-carbon sugar, okay. Now first and fifth, what does it mean? First and fifth number means in the first carbon atom and the fifth carbon atom we have phosphate groups. That's why this is biphosphate. Bi means 2. इसमें 2 phosphate groups जुड़े हैं कहाँ पर? एक first पे एक fifth carbon atom पे, okay. I hope this is clear now to you. Now this 5-carbon sugar, when now you know carbon dioxide is entering along with the water, so with the help of carbon dioxide and water, and since every reaction requires certain enzyme, okay, so that enzyme, the enzyme which we use here, this is what? This is Rubisco, all right. RUBP means RUBP, carboxylase oxygenase. This is the name of the enzyme. It is already given in your books, okay. So this is that enzyme. Because of its use, what happens? This sugar is converted finally when carbon dioxide and water gets added. It is changed into that 3-PGA, okay, the first product of the carbon dioxide fixation 3-carbon compound, and the name is phosphoglyceric acid, okay. Phosphoglyceric acid contains 3 carbons. Now what happens further? See, actually 2 molecules are prepared, okay. This thing you have to note it down, okay. What happens when one carbon dioxide molecule, okay, when carbon dioxide 1 is added, okay, 2 molecules of 3-PGA is formed. Now what happens now? Here this is the process. See, this process means carboxylation, all right. Carboxylation means carbon dioxide ka addition, okay. So now you can see this is done. That's why I have written here first. Now the second thing begins, which is second process begins, which is reduction, all right. So here what happens? ATP. Now you know in those processes light reaction में हमने ATP और NADPH बनाया, okay. So यहाँ पर वही वाला ATP यूज हो रहा है. अब यहाँ 2 molecules लिए तो ATP भी आपको 2 ही लेने हैं, okay, नहीं तो equation गड़बड़ हो जाती है. So that's why if it is 2, here it is, you have to use 2 molecules. 2 molecules of ATP which are formed during light reaction, those are converted into ADP. ATP means adenosine triphosphate, ADP means adenosine diphosphate. हुआ क्या यहाँ पर? ट्राई से डाई बन गया. 3 phosphate groups, 2 phosphate group. That means इसका जो 3 phosphate था इसमें 1 क्या हो गया? 1 remove हो गया. That's why it made ADP, adenosine diphosphate. And that 1 ATP which is removed from ATP, that 1 phosphate group, that is actually given to this phosphoglyceric acid, and which then forms finally 1,3-biphosphoglyceric acid, okay. Now I think you got the idea that, see, here we have phosphoglyceric acid means 1 phosphate, right, but because this ATP changed into ADP, so 1 phosphate group is removed from here, that phosphate group will be added here. अब एक था कितना हो गया? 2. That's why here we are using again biphospho. This means because of the ATP now we have 2 phosphates, okay. Don't get confused. In which positions? First and 3 positions, okay. So now 1,3-biphosphoglyceric acid is produced. How many molecules? Again 2 molecules, okay. अब एक्चुअल रिडक्शन यहाँ पर होनी है, यू नो वी इन लाइट रिएक्शन NADPH is also produced, okay? So 2 molecules of NADPH will finally changes into NADP positive. That means which is removed here? Hydrogen is removed here, okay? And those hydrogen or you can say protons, those hydrogens are actually given here to biphosphoglyceric acid, and it is then reduced, okay, and it is forming now 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde. This is the next intermediate formed during Calvin cycle, okay? Now friends see, एक तो रिडक्शन हुआ है यहाँ पर जिसमें जो हाइड्रोजन है वो गया है, साथ ही क्या हुआ है यहाँ पर एक और चीज़ हुई है, जो यहाँ पर फॉस्फेट ग्रुप थे, बाइफॉस्फो मीन्स हैविंग 1 मॉलिक्यूल, यहाँ 2 मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं, राइट? एक मॉलिक्यूल में कितने हैं? 2 फॉस्फेट ग्रुप्स हैं, ओके? सो 2 मॉलिक्यूल्स में कितने हो गए? 4 हो गए. सो डोंट गेट कन्फ्यूज्ड हियर. From each molecule of biphosphoglyceric acid, 1 inorganic phosphate is removed in this reduction process, okay? That's why I have written here, arrow जा रहा है इधर को, that means it is removing inorganic phosphate. How many molecules? 2 molecules, okay? So 2 molecules है, एक जो बाइफॉस्फो है, एक मॉलिक्यूल में 2 फॉस्फेट है, ओके? सो एक मॉलिक्यूल का एक फॉस्फेट गया, दूसरे मॉलिक्यूल का भी एक फॉस्फेट गया, तो कितने गए टोटल? 2, ओके? 2 इनऑर्गेनिक फॉस्फेट्स जब रिमूव होंगे तो क्या बन जाएगा? अगेन बाय से अगेन सिंगल में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, ओके? सो इट विल बिकम नाउ 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde. 3 मीन्स अगेन फॉस्फेट ग्रुप, फर्स्ट वाला रिमूव हो गया, जो थर्ड पोजिशन पे है दैट इज सिमिलर, ओके? 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde. 1 phosphate group has been removed from each compound, okay? Now you can see here, see अभी तक कितने कार्बन एटम्स थे? 2 कार्बन एटम कंपाउंड था, ये भी. Now the compound which is being formed here, which is 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde, this is 3 carbon atom compound, okay? इसके भी 2 molecules बने. This is actually the sugar, okay? So this is formed here. Now what happens? After formation of this 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde, what happens again? See, important thing is here, now you know sugar which is continuously forming or initiating this cycle with the help of carbon dioxide, okay? अगर ये बाई चांस शुगर ख़त्म हो जाए, इट गेट्स फिनिश्ड, तो क्या हो जाएगा? ऑब्वियसली साइकिल रुक जाएगी. सो टू मेक दिस प्रोसेस अनइंटरप्टेड, ओके, कोई प्रॉब्लम ना क्रिएट हो, इसकी सप्लाई कॉन्टीन्यूस हो, व्हाट हैपन्स एक्चुअली हियर? रीजनरेशन. द लास्ट प्रोसेस विच इज़ रीजनरेशन, इट अकर्स वेयर फाइनली अगेन इन दिस साइकिल वी रीजनरेट दिस शुगर, ओके? अदरवाइज तो आपको पता है जो ये शुगर है दैट इज़ कॉन्टीन्यूसली इन्वॉल्विंग इन दिस साइकिल, एक कॉन्टीन्यूसली चेंज हो रहा है, कुछ और चीज़ें बना रहा है, ये बना रहा है, ये बना रहा है, ओके? तो ये अगर यही इन चीज़ों में यूज़ होता रहेगा, कंज्यूम होता रहेगा, तो ये तो ख़त्म हो जाएगा. तो जस्ट टू अगेन प्रोड्यूस इट, दिस इज़ द थर्ड स्टेप टू रीजनरेट इट अगेन, ओके? नाउ सी फ्रेंड्स, what happens actually? Now this compound which is formed here, it is actually having 3 carbon atoms, okay? 3 carbon compound is there. What happens here actually? Out of this 3 carbons, 1 carbon is again given out to form sugar molecule which is glucose, okay? Only 1 carbon, listen carefully, 1 carbon from 3 carbons is given out to prepare glucose, and 2 carbons are used in this process. Now what happens actually? अब एक कार्बन जो है उससे ग्लूकोज कैसे बनेगा? ग्लूकोज तो C6H12O6 होता है, ओके? दैट मीन्स ग्लूकोज का कितना पार्ट बनेगा? ओनली 1/6 पार्ट ऑफ ग्लूकोज विल बी फॉर्म्ड, राइट? बिकॉज वी रिक्वायर टोटल हाउ मेनी कार्बन? 6, राइट? So that means this 1 carbon which we are giving to form glucose, that is actually making 1/6 of glucose. अभी पूरा नहीं बना है. इससे आप क्या समझ रहे हो कि एक साइकिल, only 1 turn of this cycle is using 1 carbon dioxide, right? So when we use 1 carbon dioxide in only 1 single cycle, how many glucose molecules are producing? Only 1/6 molecule. That means if we want to prepare a complete molecule of glucose, how many carbon dioxide will be added here? 6. Yes, this is the important thing here. 6 कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मॉलिक्यूल्स, दैट मीन्स कितनी साइकिल्स बनेंगी, ये 6 साइकिल्स, 6 साइकिल्स, 6 टर्न्स ऑफ दिस साइकिल विल फाइनली मेक 1 molecule of glucose. Okay, now this is the thing. Now during this regeneration process, what happens again, ATP is being used here. Okay, now see friends, what happens here, now you can see here that this is phosphoglyceraldehyde. All right, now what is happening actually, now finally it is regenerating ribulose 1,5 biphosphate. Okay, actually here we used this compound which is being formed here. Okay, it is 3 carbon compound, right? But how many molecules prepared? 2 molecules prepared. That means 3 carbons, 2 molecules, 3 2s are 6. So total number of carbon atoms in this compound is 6 carbon. Okay, out of the 6 carbon, 1 carbon is being used in the formation of glucose. Okay, and लेफ्ट 5 मॉलिक्यूल 5 कार्बन. अब जो 5 कार्बन है वो कहाँ जा रहे हैं, वो जा रहे हैं आपके RUBP बनाने में. ऑल राइट, इसीलिए ये 5 कार्बन कंपाउंड है. डोंट गेट कन्फ्यूज कि यहाँ 3 कार्बन है, यहाँ 5 कैसा है. ओके, एक्चुअली 1 मॉलिक्यूल इज कंटेनिंग 3 carbons, but since we have 2 molecules it becomes 6. Okay, so this is the thing, but here only 1 carbon is giving, we are giving this 1 carbon to glucose. So that means how many glucose molecules are forming in one turn? Not even a single molecule, सिर्फ 1/6 पार्ट ग्लूकोज का बन रहा है यहाँ पर. ये चीज़ आपको ध्यान में रखनी है. Now you know in this regeneration process one more ATP molecule is used here to form ADP, right? और आपको पता है ATP ट्राई, this is डाई, that means एक फॉस्फेट कहाँ गया, वो फॉस्फेट चला गया इसके पास. ओके, अब यहाँ बन गया ये बायफॉस्फेट. यहाँ था फॉस्फो, मीन्स एक फॉस्फेट था यहाँ पर, बट when ATP is added, so biphosphate is being formed here. Now this continuous cycle is consuming ribulose biphosphate, but at the same time because of adding ATP, what is happening again, this is being formed, और ये फिर ख़त्म नहीं होता है, साइकिल कंटिन्यू होती रहती है. ओके, अब आप यहाँ पर क्या नोट करोगे फ्रेंड्स, आप यहाँ देख सकते हो एक कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड यूज़ करते हैं हम एक साइकिल में, तो क्या बनता है, 1/6 पार्ट ऑफ ग्लूकोज इज फॉर्म्ड. बट सिंस to form 1 molecule of glucose 6 turns are required. Okay, in each turn what is happening, 2 ATP molecules are being added, 2 ADPs are forming, 2 NADPH. Okay, 1 ATP molecule, but since 6 turns are required, so you just simply multiply it by 6. So 2 ATP molecules, so एक glucose बनाने के लिए 6 turns चाहिए, तो 2 into 6 12 ATP. So when 1 glucose molecule is formed, how many ATPs are actually used up? 12 ATPs. All right, this is the thing, this is the important thing, you should note it down. And when 12 ATPs are being used, 12 ADPs are produced. Likewise here also, NADPH2 molecules in 1 turn, but 6 turns are there, 2 into 6 12. Okay, then this is 12 again, like this. Here 1 molecule is used, but 6 turns, so 1 into 6. This cycle, what is happening, 6 carbon dioxide total we are using, and 1 glucose molecule is being formed. Then 18 ATP. Okay, 12 plus 6. All right, 18 ATPs are being used, 18 ADPs are producing, or this is in, this is out. Okay, then 12 total NADPH are used, and then NADP 12 are produced. So this is the Calvin cycle friends. Read it again and again. आप जितनी बार देखेंगे आपके लिए उतना अच्छा होगा. ठीक है, ज़्यादा आपको समझ आएगी जो भी चीज़ है, और कुछ नहीं समझ आता है तो आप उसको कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हैं, मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू सो मच. हैव अ गुड डे.